Hi. Today we're going to tell you about 4 benefits of using paid search ads for your business. Paid search advertising allows you to attract qualified leads back to your company website, giving you an advantage over competitors. If you're running a business that has a website, it's worth to learn about paid search advertising and to implement it. Let's get started. Increase lead generation. One of the most crucial purposes of marketing is to generate leads for your business. Paid search ads do exactly that by not only attracting customers by displaying your ads, but that the customers that see the advertisement are interested in the first place. That way, you're strategically targeting individuals with the highest chances of becoming a paying customer. Hence, your website gets to enjoy a higher count of qualified leads. Improves brand recognition. Over the long term, the use of paid search ads can help build your brand. As you know, just because you pop up as an ad on the side doesn't mean the user will click on it. However, when customers are exposed to your ads for more extended periods and more often, the more awareness your brand gains. Excellent for local searches. Especially if you're a small business, competing with large enterprises may be out of the question. However, with paid search advertisements, you can serve your customers locally, where there is much less competition. What that means is that your customers who live or are near to you can easily find your store through the use of their mobile devices. Provides instant results. As you know, no matter how good your SEO is, results will only show after a while. With paid search advertisements, however, results come fast. They are an excellent way to support your SEO efforts as well. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.